What's up, everybody? This is your boy Murdic 3K, and today we are bringing you something that I have not done before. Now, I'm going to preface all this by saying I am not a professional gunsmith. This is just how I, Murdic 3K, went about putting together my EPC 9mm from Aero Precision. I got all the pieces, I got the handguard that I wanted, I got all the things that I wanted, and this is how I put it together. If this guy can help you along the way, great, but just remember, I am not a professional gunsmith. I'm just a guy that enjoys this hobby, and I thought I'd share this with you, and if it could help you along the way, great for that. So let's get into what I use for this build and some tools that I found helpful during this build. Let's get to it. For this part of the build, we use the Aero Precision EPC lower for 9mm. This is the CAC Shockwave Classic, the fin. We use the Aero Precision EPC buffer tube kit. This is the Aero Precision lower parts kit with the MOE K2 grip. This is the EPC upper by Aero Precision. This is the CAW compensator, the linear compensator. It's about 4 inches long. This is the Tribe Defense 7.5-inch barrel. This is the JP Enterprises MK3 handguard that we use for the build. And this is the Aero Precision EPC bulk carrier group. We used a Warhammer charging handle. Tools that I use for this build and that you probably will need is a bench vise, the AR upper vise clamp, the AR lower vise block for 9mm or whatever caliber you're using, a 1/16 hex wrench, a torque wrench, an armorer's mallet with a soft head or nylon head, a universal bench block, an armorer's wrench. And if you have an armorer's wrench, make sure it's one that has a torque wrench spot where you can put a torque wrench in there. And it would be super helpful if it was had a cutout for a 1 3/8 inch crow's foot. A 1 3/8 crow's foot if you don't have one, a 5 32 roll pin punch, an X-Acto knife or a similar thin blade, needle nose pliers, and a flathead screwdriver. Not mentioned on this list is blue and red Loctite, some gun lubrication, and some aeroshell grease. As much as I would love to show you the part 2 and part 3 of this video series here on YouTube, it's not permitted. I would get a community strike. But you can find this on Gunstreamer. You can do it one of two ways. You can go to Gunstreamer, look up M3K Tactical, and then you'll find my channel, and you'll see the other 2 videos that go along with this series, along with other gun content that I've posted there. Or you can just put in your search browser, hashtag M3K Tactical, and then no spaces, just run it all together, and then it will pull up my social media along with the Gunstreamer link, and you'll be able to go there and watch the remainder of this series. I hope you found it helpful. Again, I am not a professional gunsmith. This is just how I put together the Aero Precision EPC 9mm with the bits and pieces that I wanted on it. And yeah, I hope you find it helpful if you're looking for something to help you get through your guide or give you inspiration to see just how easy this process is. Well, guys, thank you for watching as always. I really do appreciate it. Look for part 1 and part 2 on Gunstreamer. Thank you for watching. Live the dream.